31 months to 36 months. Gross motor, sub-skill, stands on one leg without holding on to anything for 1 second. Test and judgment criteria. The examiner demonstrates how to stand on one leg without holding on to anything. Then, ask the child to do it for as long as possible. Perform the test 3 times. Pass. The child is able to stand on one leg by himself or herself for 1 second, at least once in 3 times. Fine motor, sub-skill, draw circles in a spiral pattern by copying. Tool 1. A pencil. 2. A5 size drawing paper. Test and judgment criteria. 1. The examiner shows the child how to draw circles in a spiral pattern and then tells the child to draw circles in a spiral pattern. 2. The examiner gives a piece of paper and a pencil to the child and asks the child to draw circles in a spiral pattern. Pass. The child is able to draw circles in a spiral pattern. Receptive language. Sub-skill looks for and brings back 2 objects in the room as instructed. Tool 1. A ball. 2. A doll. 3. A comb. 4. A cup. 5. A mirror. 6. A toothbrush. Test and judgment criteria. 1. The examiner places 6 different objects in different places around the room, 3 meters from the child. 2. The examiner asks the child to go and get 2 of the objects and bring them to the examiner. For example, a toothbrush and a comb. 3. After the child brings them, return the items to the different locations than before. 4. Ask the child to bring the same 2 objects again, as in 2 and 3. Repeat 2 times. Remarks. If the child is unable to do it, allow the child to select another object, but test with those objects 3 times. Pass. The child correctly bring the same 2 objects at least 2 out of 3 times. Expressive language. Sub-skill says 4 different 3 to 4 word phrases. Test and judgment criteria. The examiner observes the child while doing other tests, or asks the parent if the child can talk, for example, about giving, wanting something, refusing, expressing an opinion. Pass. The child is able to speak at least 4 meaningful 3-word phrases. Personal and social. Sub-skill puts pants on independently. Test and judgment criteria. The examiner asks the parent if the child can put pants on with an elastic waistband by himself or herself. Pass. The child is able to put on pants with an elastic waistband by himself or herself.